Hi my Beautets, welcome back to my channel. So this time around I have this Maybelline Python lip kit in Passionate 005. I got this complimentary from influencer / Maybelline and I love it. I'm sorry for the quality of this video. I was filming when the sun was up / going down, so I'm sorry for this quality. I never really filmed in this type of quality, but for this evening and day, this is how it came out, so I am sorry about that. But nonetheless, I just came on to do this beautiful first impressions and just to feel and see how this looks on my lips. So if you want to continue and stay watching this video, please do so. Do not forget to turn on your bell notifications if you want to see all my videos every time they come out. Being that YouTube keeps changing and it'll be harder to see my videos now, please, if you are a real supporter, thank you so much for everything that you guys constantly support me in, and I love you Beautets, and I cannot wait to see you beauties on next video. Love you. Bye bye.
That stop shot, jumping on my car, make me slap that a snap back. We are do we think, cause you know say me no love chat. Dress them well firm, plus the ass when fat. Gosh, they're damn hot, roll like a race track. Waistline small, me I wonder where you get that. Me not have no time for your waist, girl, come over my place. Let me tell you this straight. Let me tell you this straight. Oh yeah. Let me tell you this straight. Tell you this, I've been waiting patiently for your body, calling your name. I've been calling your name. Ooh, cranium. Do the things where you feel you need to, and we can run the place like you need to do it too. Come and swear by my life, my girl, say me not gonna leave you. There I get
top down and I'm on the way down. We sipping any for the whole day now. She know what me want for do. A little bit of me pon you, yeah. And you know that I've been rolling round, I go around like Tyson. I say we the plan a one night thing, no husband and wife thing.
We can fuck if you feel like you want to, and we can do the things where you feel you need to, and we can run the place like you need to do it too. Come and swear by my life, my girl, say me not gonna leave you. Hey, no more late night texting, time for the sexing. Oh yeah, I've been seeing your body naked, and I ain't touched you yet. To get you, yeah, take man for food, take man for that stop shot. Jumping on my car, make me slap that a snap back. We are do we think, cause you know say me no love chat. Dress them well firm, plus the ass when fat. Gosh, they're damn hot, roll like a race.